got another Dreadnought Rare Reverse Holo, leading us into Hey everyone, PokeChef here. Today in this video, we're going to be checking out the Pokemon trading card game Shining Fates Elite Trainer Box. If you're interested in this product, you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. You can see the retail box and packaging right here. Check it out. Everything looks great. We have a lot of Pokemon and Shining Fates branding on it from all different sides. And then you can see on the back side right here, they walk us through all the included contents with a nice list, and you can see a product photo of everything that's included. Now let's go ahead, let's open it up and look at the contents. Here are all the contents. First up, you can see we have our Pokemon trading card game rules, followed by our player's guide. Let's look at this in more detail. It'll walk you through everything you need to know about Shining Fates and all the new Pokemon V and VMAX cards. So check that out. You can see everything that we're working with right here in this set. And then what's really nice, after we learn about all the shinies and additional cards, you'll be able to see a complete set. So check this out. They give you the full card list set right here. Every card you can pull. So we're going to be after some of the Dittos would be cool. Obviously, we're going to be after the Charizard. Look at all the Pokemon in this set. Really impressive. Now you can see here again, so we're going to be after the Charizard VMAX. We'll settle for a Lapras or Lapras VMAX. And the Ditto V and the Ditto VMAX as well. That'd be a lot of fun to pull out of the packs we're going to be opening today. Next, you can see 4 card dividers, online promo card, 65 card sleeves right here, 45 energy cards. We have our EV VMAX promo card. So you can see how that card looks. Then we have 7 dice, 6 damage counters, 1 coin flip dice. Then you can see we have our 2 acrylic condition markers and our 10 packs. So each pack contains 10 cards each, so 100 cards total. Plus, you can't forget about the energies and our EV VMAX promo. But you can see out of the 10 packs, we got the assortment of pack art, and that's just going to be randomized as well. So check that out. You can see how they look. They're all identical to each other in regards to 10 cards each. It's just going to be different pack art. So look at them all up close. You can see they look really nice. And last but not least, we have our Charizard packs. Now let's go ahead. Let's open them up. So we're going to save our 3 Charizard packs for the end. Let's go ahead. We'll open up our first pack right here. See what we get. All right, again, we're after the Charizard. We want to pull the Charizard. That's definitely the best card in this set. Rowlet. Oh, we got an Eevee. We'll take it. More Pekka. All right, check that out. So we got a Reshiram. That looks really cool. I believe that's an alternate art. Into a Dreadnought Rare Non-Holo. 1 pack down, 9 to go. Let's open up our next one. Are we going to get that chase card today? You never know. Quality looks good on this print run. Getting closer. Oh, check that out. Back to back. And we got the reverse holo, leading us into a Celebi Rare Non-Holo. 2 down, 8 to go. Let's go ahead. Let's open up our third pack. Do our card trick. See what we pull here. Another more Pekko. Nickit. Another Eevee. Another Yanma. That card's got scratches on it. Interesting. All right, another Yanma. Reverse holo. Into a Luxray Holo Rare. 3 down, 7 to go. Let's open up our fourth pack. Still chasing the Charizard. Floatzel, a couple of those already. Spinnerack. Q-Fit. Coughing, one of the OGs, into our reverse holo, leading us to a Manphy non-holo rare. 4 down, 6 to go. Let's go ahead. Let's open up our 5th pack right here. See what we get. Rusted Shield. Another Coughing OG. More Pecco. Horsey. Spinnerack. Rowlet. We got a lot of them. Oh, into our reverse holo. Non-rare. Into another Dreadnought. Dreading the Dreadnought. Rare non-holo. 5 to go. Let's go ahead. Let's open up our 6th pack right here. All right, Fire Energy, could it be a sign? Oh, and our Rusted Sword again. A lot of duplicates. We got the Ball Guy. A lot of Rowlets, a lot of Eevees, a lot of more Peccos. A lot of these cards. Ooh! So check it out. So the Nickit, sorry, I thought that one wasn't reverse holo. Got a reverse holo Nickit into our Indie DV. Check that out. Good looking card. Let's see how it looks, and we'll check it out from the back side. Decent print quality and centering. 6 down, 4 to go. Let's open up our 7th pack. And then after this, we only got the Charizard artworks left. So let's see what we get here. All right, Psychic Energy, another Rusted Shield. You just can't go wrong with the Rusted Shield, I guess. A lot of duplicates. There's Coffee in the OG. Another Rowlet. All right, so we have an alternate art Kygor. So that looks nice. Really cool card. Leading us into a Yanmega rare non-holo. 7 down, 3 to go. Let's open up our 8th pack and our first Charizard art right here. All right, so here we go. Fire Energy, could it be? Gym Trainer. Lots of trainers in this one. There's our Horsey. Another more Pecco. Choodle. Another Indeedee. Indeedee, just not the VV. That's not our final card, though. So reverse holo rare into a Cramorant V. 8 down, 2 to go. Let's open up our 9th and 2nd Charizard pack right here. Gotta have some last pack magic or second to last pack magic here. More Pecco, Coughing. Okay, so we got another Dreadnought rare reverse holo, leading us into a Professor's Research rare non-holo. 1 to go, our final pack. 3 out of 3 for our Charizard packs. This is it. Are we going to get some last pack magic here? We will find out. We'll leave that out for some good luck. Here we go. Could it be another Rusted Sword? Is that a sign for a Charizard or another Dreadnought? We dread the Dreadnought. Okay, another Nickit into a Galarian Rapidash rare. All right, we'll take it. Look at that. That's pretty cool. And we have another Professor's Research rare. What are the chances? What the heck? So our last 2 packs, both the Charizard artworks, both led us to a Professor's Research, but we did get a Galarian Rapidash in this pack. Here's the quick polls and highlights from our Shining Fates ETB. So at the bottom, we have all of our uncommon or common reverse holos. Next up, you can see we have all of our rare non-holos. We did pull 2 identical Dreadnoughts and 2 identical Professor's Research. Technically, we pulled 3 Dreadnoughts total if we count our reverse holo rare, which brings us to our next row. We pulled 2 reverse holo rares, and we pulled 2 rare holos. Lastly, our top row, you can see 2 alternate art cards, and we pulled 2 V cards. So let me know in the comment section down below, out of all the cards you see here, which one is your favorite card that we pulled?